Hey everyone, if you're tired of guessing what's wrong with your car and want a tool that actually keeps up with modern vehicles, you're going to want to see what the LAUNCH X431 PRO5 can do. This isn't just another code reader, it's designed to handle the complex systems in today's cars, and I've been putting it through its paces to see if it lives up to the hype. Link is in the description if you want to check the product details on Amazon. One of the standout features is the 2026 intelligent topology mapping. Instead of digging through endless menus, this scanner creates a visual map of your car's systems, showing how everything connects. I tested it on a 2022 Toyota with a check engine light, and within seconds, I could see exactly where the issue was, no more jumping between screens or second guessing. It's a huge time saver, especially when you're dealing with something like an ABS or airbag fault where every second counts. Another game changer is the J2534 protocol support with SmartLink C. If you've ever tried programming a new key or updating a module, you know how frustrating it can be with cheaper tools. The Pro5 handles these tasks smoothly, and the SmartLink C adapter makes it plug and play with your laptop. I hooked it up to a Ford with a dead key fob, and within minutes, I had it reprogrammed, something most basic scanners can't touch. The software database is massive, covering over 160 makes and thousands of models, including the latest 2026 vehicles. I tried it on a 2023 GM truck with a transmission issue, and the Pro5 pulled up the exact service information I needed, including live data and actuator tests. It's like having a dealership-level scan tool in your garage, but without the hourly labor fees. Auto-auth access is another feature that sets this apart. If you work on Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, or Ram vehicles, you know how locked down some systems can be. The Pro5 partners with AutoAuth to give you full access to FCA modules, including the ability to program keys and update ECUs. I tested it on a 2018 Jeep Wrangler with a faulty BCM, and I was able to reset it and get the vehicle running again, something I couldn't do with other tools I've tried. The bidirectional control is seriously impressive. Instead of just reading codes, this scanner lets you command systems to perform tests. I used it to cycle the fuel pump on a Honda Civic, and it worked perfectly. It's also great for resetting adaptations after repairs, like recalibrating the throttle body on a Nissan. If you're doing any kind of repair work, this feature alone is worth the investment. The all-system scan capability means you can check everything from the engine to the infotainment system in one go. I ran a full scan on a 2020 Hyundai with multiple warning lights, and it identified issues across the powertrain, body control, and even the TPMS system. Most scanners would miss something, but the Pro5 caught everything. Now, no tool is perfect, so let's talk about a couple of things to keep in mind. First, the setup can be a bit involved if you're not familiar with J2534 tools. You'll need to install the software on a Windows PC and make sure your laptop meets the requirements. It's not rocket science, but it's not as simple as plugging in a basic OBD2 scanner. Second, while the coverage is extensive, there are still a few newer or niche models that might not be fully supported yet. Always double-check the compatibility list before buying. Overall, the LAUNCH X431 PRO5 is one of the most capable scan tools I've used, especially for the price. It's packed with features that actually matter when you're diagnosing or repairing a car, and the topology mapping alone makes it worth it for anyone who works on vehicles regularly. The J2534 programming and auto-auth access are bonuses that most other scanners can't match. If you're serious about working on cars and want a tool that grows with you, this is a solid choice. The link is below if you want to grab one for yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.